My name is Renthlei and I am a BMX Fatlander. BMX riding is everybody's childhood aspiration. I started BMX flatlanding in 2012 and then from then on I have never stopped. The people I follow a lot on flatland, basically I can say Matthias Dandois, Yohino Uchi, Vicky Gomez, and there are a lot of other riders that I follow as well. Challenging myself has always been a problem for me, since I'm a person of temper, and then overcoming my temper has not been easy. I basically overcome my temper through BMXing. Riding with all these challenges can be really hard, but then I've never stopped. Ground Rule is an extreme sports team. Like any other extreme sports team, we have a lot of activities going on with Ground Rule. We have skating, we have b-boy, we have graffiti, we have BMXing, we have yo-yo, and we would like to include a lot more of activities with Ground Rule. Ground Rule started way back in 2012, and then started with just a couple of friends who love to do extreme stuff like extreme riding or BMXing. Ground Rule aspires to keep on doing extreme sports and promoting extreme sports within Northeast and within India, and also within Mizoram itself. My vision for BMX in Mizoram is like a limit that has not been reached, but it will be reached. It will never stop. BMXing in Mizoram has not been easy, since geographically it's really weak and the people don't really support us. And then location wise it's really bad, but then we have to suit ourselves to the location and do whatever we can do to keep on riding.
I need a sign or a signal. I've overthought everything I can think of. Need the code in your jacket.
Extreme sports in India can be really challenging because we don't get the right equipment at the right time, and we might face monetary problems. But then the little things that we do that help us contribute to the society, that is what makes us alike with other people around the world, and that is what keeps us within the extreme sports society. To a person who is doing extreme sports or a biker, I would like to say to never stop trying. Everybody goes through obstacles. A lot of obstacles comes on the way. It can be education or other things as well. Obstacles should be the milestone that will make you keep on trying and never stop doing what you love to do.